Welcome to Watchat, where we chat about watches and other facts of life. When you run out of ideas, what do? You do a collaboration. What's up, guys? Today is the 26th of March 2022, the D-Day for the launching of the Speendmaster MoonSwatch. Omega and Swatch had decided to collaborate to create this ingenious line of 11 pieces which either appeals to you or confuses you. Either way, here is me trying to debunk all your questions on the MoonSwatch and me giving you a good rundown on what's to know about the design, as well as me telling you which is my favorite piece, if you stay till the end of this video, of course. Firstly, no. This watch does not give you supernatural powers over the galaxy. It is also not limited edition, and it will be sold online on a later date. There is really no need to queue up the night before just to get your hands on one. By the way, due to the overwhelming response, only one watch is now available per person until further notice. Secondly, these watches are only available at Swatch and not Omega. Although it is a collaboration between the two giants, this is not an Omega watch but a Swatch. The movement here is a quartz movement with 4 jewels, and the entire case construct is made out of bioceramic, which is a material used by Swatch with their watches. Bioceramic is simply the use of a blend of ceramic and biosourced plastic. Hence, the watch will feel a little plasticky and it is pretty light, albeit it is measured at 42mm in diameter, 13.25mm in thickness, and 47.34 in length. These watches all have a hidden S integrated in the center of the glass crystal. The battery cover at the back has a design of the planets they represent. The only thing that is Omega related here is the use of the brand Omega, the dial design, markers, hands, and bezel, which also has the iconic dot over 90 detail on the tachymeter scaled bezel. Funny how Swatch places the emphasis and focus on Omega first, then Swatch in its branding. But hey, whatever works for them, right? Thirdly, each watch have a slight difference and uniqueness which makes them all a collectible favorite. The Mission to the Sun has a bright sun yellow case and a sunbrush style dial with orange-yellow hands on all the main and sub-dial. It comes with a white Velcro strap. The Mission to Mercury has a deep grey color dial and a case with a contrasting black chapter ring. It also has a metallic grey Velcro strap. The Mission to Venus is the only watch that does not have a ring that separates the dial and the chapter ring. It is also the only watch that has these oval-shaped design sub-dials embellished with diamond-like details, and that bezel that has a two-tone color with the markers painted on the outer side of the bezel with edge design. The Velcro strap here is white. The Mission on Earth is the only one that says Mission on Earth instead of Mission to a particular planet. I really love how the Earth image on the battery cover contrasts with the lime green case. The navy blue dial and Velcro strap and the brown hands all resembles the characteristic of the third planet from the Sun. The Mission to the Moon can perhaps be regarded as the actual moon watch in this line since it resembles the actual Speendmaster. It's funny how all the other selection have their strap printed the word Moonwatch when this is the only actual one. I really like how the moon is printed at the back of this watch where the footprint of Neil Armstrong can be seen there. The Mission to Mars has this unique red rocket hands that resemble the Omega Speendmaster Alaska project watches, which is inspired by NASA's Mercury rockets. The dial is white and the Velcro strap is white too. The Mission to Jupiter is the only watch that has a different color painted on the word tachymeter on the bezel. It also has a beige dial with the Ultraman orange second hand, Mind you, like the mission to Mars, only the two sub-dial hands at the 2 o'clock and the 10 o'clock are also colored, but the one at the 6 o'clock isn't. The Velcro strap here is in black. The mission to Saturn is the only watch that has its planet painted on in the 6 o'clock sub-dial. The other two sub-dials are in brown, same with the bezel and Velcro strap. The dial and case have a beautiful sandy cool beige tone. The mission to Uranus, no pun intended. Man, where do I begin with this one? If you like the Tiffany colored Oyster Perpetual, you would love this one. The simple pastel airy blue dial and case shouts elegant. The hands, bezel and Velcro strap are all in white. The mission to Neptune is probably one of those planets Loki and the Frost Giants are from. This is meant for those who loves the color blue. The dark blue dial and the bezel blends in well with the navy blue case. The white hands and markers contrast well with the black Velcro strap. The mission to Pluto is my favorite piece, and here is why. This is the only watch that has black markers and lume. The hour-minute hands are in white but with black lume. The second hand and the two sub-dial hands at the 2 and 10 o'clock position are in black as well, whereas the hand at the 6 o'clock sub-dial is in white. I like how the beige dial and the burgundy bezel and sub-dials gives the watch a very vintage feel. If you've noticed, all three sub-dials have two shades of burgundy, which gives a beautiful depth on the entire dial. Most importantly is that beautiful contrast of Pluto at the back. So, was it a right move for Omega, no offense to Swatch, to market itself at this level? I think it is, and I think people who are not into mechanical watches are now more familiar with the brand Omega, especially with the Speendmaster MoonSwatch. This will probably create more hype and demand on Omega's Speendmaster. Whether you like it or not, Omega and Swatch did create a worldwide frenzy like no other brands have done. Let me know if you agree to what Omega has done in the comments below, and tell us which of these MoonSwatch is your personal favorite and why. If you like this kind of video, please like, share, subscribe and hit that notification icon to support me, and I'll really appreciate it and promise to make more videos like this. Until the next one, thank you for watching.